Problem. A disk of mass m is kept floating by firing bullets. Each bullet of mass m and strikes normally with the velocity v and rebounds with same speed. The number of bullets fired per second is n. Now the bullets stick to the disk instead of rebounding. What will happen to the disk? Options. A. Stay at the same place. B. Rise up. C. Start falling. D. Hover and spin. Before we dive into the answer, please like and subscribe. It really helps me create more videos like this. To solve this problem, we should follow A. Tip. Upward force by n number of particles when they hit a surface is F equals 2 mvn. Those who want to know how we get this equation, watch disk bullet problem video in my channel. Now, the solution is bullets start sticking to the disk. So the momentum after collision is P after equals 0. Then thrust is F equals mvn. To make disk float, thrust should be F equals 2 mvn. You can see the figure, but thrust is halved. Now the downward force has disk weight and bullet's weight. Hence downward force is F equals mass of the disk plus mass of n number of bullets into g. Mass of each bullet is small, m. Mass of small number of bullets is nm. Therefore, F equals capital M plus small n m multiplied by g. Actually, downward force should be mg. See the figure. That is, downward force is increased due to bullets. Downward force is greater than thrust. So disk start falling. Answer is option C. Here is a problem for you to solve. Answer it in the comment section. The names of the first 10 members will be shout out in the next video. The block shown in the figure is in equilibrium. Find the acceleration of the block just after the string burns.